Sometimes, all we really need is a quiet morning with a good drink and a moment to breathe. I really love starting my days like this, whenever I can, slowing down before the city wakes up. Today, I decided to take you with me to one of my favorite places in London, Regent's Park. It's that magical time of year when everything turns golden and warm, and somehow it makes me feel grounded again. Spending time in nature reminds me that life doesn't always have to move fast. Sometimes it's okay to pause and just be. After a slow walk through the park, I kept going, following the canal all the way to Camden Market. I love how this route feels calm at first and then full of energy and colors. One of my favorite food spots here is the little falafel place. Everything's so fresh and flavorful. And even though I'm not vegan, I really appreciate good vegan food. Camden is such a mix of everything. Vintage shops, artists, street food, music. It's impossible not to feel inspired. This is one of these places that reminded you how alive this city really is. We also stopped by the Works, one of my go-to spots for books. They always have amazing deals, and I was so happy to find some of my favorite Frida McFadden novels. Plus, everything was already full of cozy autumn and Halloween decorations. It just makes me so excited for this season. So many nice things if you want to spend the best night in with your partner, your friends, your family. They had so many DIYs to paint, decoration, pumpkins. Everything was so nice, so cute and cozy. Later on, I popped into TK Maxx. You know how it goes? You go in for one thing and you end up smelling candles for 20 minutes. And of course, I couldn't end the day without picking a few little things from the supermarket. Days like this remind me how important it is to make time for yourself, to explore, to notice the little things, and to find beauty in every single moment. Because sometimes happiness isn't about doing something big. It's just simply living and being present for it, right? Very nice day. We did so many things. It was the perfect day off. We went to our favorite park. I showed you around. We had a very lovely lunch. We went to our favorite area in Camden Market as well. It was extremely nice. And then we went for groceries and then we head back home. So it was a very nice full day, full-on day. I had the loveliest time. So at the moment I just wore some comfy clothes, like a very nice oversized sweatshirt. And the plan, probably order some pizza, watch something nice, maybe a nice series or anything on Netflix. And yeah, I think that's it for today. Please let me know, guys, what do you watch currently at the moment on Netflix? I would love any recommendation. I'm so interested to see what other people watch. So yeah, that's all. I'm just gonna order pizza and watch a nice movie. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.